My name is Footprints, and in this video I'll be showing you how to repair minor damage to patent leather. I have other videos to show you how to repair major damage as well. All links to products and videos and lessons will be in the description or in the comments. Thank you for watching. Okay, in this section here, I'll be showing you what grits and sandpaper you'll need to remove the top coat to repair minor scuffs and scrapes to patent leather. You need a piece of 180, 220, 150, and 120. So if you want to go back in reverse order, or the correct order, you're going to go from 120 to 150 to 180 to 220. So we're going to start off with the 120, and we're just going to remove that top coat. Start to look something like that. Then we're gonna move on to the 150. Just trying to get that top coat off and get everything nice and even. If you got any gashes or whatever in there, they're gonna start to come out. So some circular motions. And you want it to start looking something like this all the way around before you start to just do your basic spray. Okay. So we're gonna do this all the way around till everything is even. I also will follow up with a piece of 320 and a piece of 400. So you should end up with something like this. And then you could start to begin your patent leather repaint. Okay, so after we're done sanding here, we would just wipe off any excess dust and debris with a damp cloth and allow it to dry. And then we would start to apply our Patent Leather Pro Final Sealer. I'm gonna let this dry. Check if there's any drip and all that, etc. And come back and we should be good. If you like this video, please go check out my other video about how to apply patent leather paint. In this video, we'll be doing a patent leather repair on a pair of AJ11 threads. And I'll show you how to take them from looking like this over here with all the damage that you can see on the patent leather, cracking, etc. And I'll show you how to apply your patent leather paint so you can get them to looking something like this over here. So stay tuned and keep watching. Thank you. Hey, my name is Footprints, and again, I'd like to thank you for watching. So here's a little bit about me. Imagine getting off of work one day and you see a pair of sneakers outside. And then you go on Google and you search these sneakers online just to find out that the pair you just found was worth $1,800. Tell me, what would you do next? Would you try to fix them up, repair them? I didn't even know sneakers could be worth that much. I'm just riding the bus thinking, wow, you know, and I'm working from all kind of hours in the morning, all through the night, you know, and I had a decent job too, like I was a truck driver. But somehow at the end of the day, I would always come up short. So then one day I figured, I said, hey, let me try this sneaker thing. So I really got serious and I started repairing all kind of sneakers, like whatever I could find, all kind of shoes. It didn't matter. And then one month, I made $1,125 online. And I even wrote a book about it.